Hello my beautiful Ebony and welcome to my channel. Know one thing, you are precious. You have value and you were created to shine. No matter your past, your level of education, your age or your current situation, you are and you remain an exceptional woman. Today, I want to encourage you to develop this great value that will make you a strong woman. Influential and inspiring wherever you are. Not only for others, but first for yourself. You are ready then, let's go, slowly but surely. The first value is integrity. My beautiful Deben, be a true woman, even when no one is looking. Integrity, my sister, is staying true to what you believe, it's telling the truth. Being honest, respecting your word, even when it's difficult. You know, people don't always follow those who speak loudly. But they always respect what is right. If, for example, you sell a product, be clear about the quality of this product. Do not hide the defects of this product. Likewise, if you are late for an appointment, apologize sincerely, little by little. People will honor you without you having to force it. My beautiful Deben, a woman who has integrity is a woman who is respected in silence. The second value is self-confidence. My beautiful Deben, believe in yourself, even when you doubt. Confidence is not about being perfect, it is about knowing that you are capable of learning, of growing, of starting again if necessary. You have gifts, you have ideas. You have unique talents, but if you don't believe in it yourself, who will? For example, you want to start a small hairdressing business. Start in your yard with your sister or your neighbor. Take a picture of what you do, share it. And the rest will come little by little. Don't wait until everything is ready to start, my beautiful Deben. You don't need to be big to start, but start to become big. The third value is continuous education. My beautiful Deben, learn a little every day. An influential woman is not the one who knows everything. No, she is the one who chooses to learn every day, even a little bit. Read, listen, observe. Education does not come only from school, it comes from life. Every day, for example, watch an educational video. Even if it's just a 5-minute video, read an article. Learn a new word, and share what you learn with other women. My beautiful Deben, knowledge is like a seed, the more you feed it, the more it grows and the more indispensable you become. The fourth value is respect for others. Speak with love, even in the truth. You want people to listen to you, start by respecting them. Speak without putting them down, correct them without hurting them, encourage them more than you criticize them. If, for example, a friend makes a mistake, do not judge her, take her aside, speak to her gently. Be a woman who lifts others up, not one who destroys them. My beautiful Deben, when you respect others, you create an aura around you. A gentle force that naturally attracts respect. The fifth value is discipline. My beautiful Deben, do what you have to do, even when you don't feel like it. It's hard sometimes, I know that well, but a woman who wants to influence society and those around her must control her time, his energy as well as his habits. If you want, for example, to wake up rather in the morning to pray, read or plan your day. Set your alarm 15 minutes before the normal time, start small. But be regular, my beautiful Deben. It is not the motivation that makes you succeed, it is the discipline. So be your own coach. The sixth value is faith, my beautiful Deben. Keep God your source at the center of your life. When things become hard, when you doubt, when you cry, remember that you are not alone. Remember, that you are never alone. He has a force greater than you, greater in you and around you. Start, for example, your day with a quiet moment. A prayer, a gratitude, an inspiring reading. Put your heart in peace before going out to face the world. My beautiful Deben, a woman who walks with faith in God, with faith, which is above all, is not afraid of tomorrow. The seventh value is self-love. My beautiful Deben, treat yourself like a queen, because you are a queen, you deserve to love yourself. You deserve to take care of yourself, your body, your mind. Don't let anyone make you believe that you are less than nothing. Look at yourself as a friend, encourage yourself, congratulate yourself. You for your small victories, for example, take a moment each day for yourself. Drink water, breathe deeply, say a sweet sentence to yourself. I am strong, I am capable, I am worthy. Even if you don't believe it yet, repeat it. Your heart will end up believing it. My beautiful Deben, self-love is the basis of everything. If you love yourself, you no longer accept what destroys you. To finish, my beautiful Desben, African woman, black woman. You don't need to be perfect to have an impact. You just need to believe a little more in yourself every day and cultivate these values with gentleness, patience and determination. You are a light, you are a warrior. You are a blessing to those around you. And the more you move forward, the more you will inspire other women to do same. So tell me in the comments, what value do you want to start developing today, and if this video spoke to you, please share it with another powerful woman like you, because we are stronger together.